Hey, what's going on, everybody? Santiago here with another update video. As you guys remember, yesterday I activated a bot on Cardano ADA/USDT. It was out of range for quite some time, meaning that when it's below the range set or above the range set, the bot is not going to trade. Okay, so if you guys remember, yesterday it showed orange letters showing range, and the range indicated that it was out of range. But like I told you guys, I've done research on Cardano. I've done some testing on Cardano, and I believe that there's tremendous potential there. So despite this was out of range and I started out with a negative investment change, again, the importance of picking the right currency pairs, understanding the market, understanding what's taking place with these cryptos is important, you know. So you guys want to be in profit, not only on the investment change, but on the bot profit. And the investment change is important because even, let's say, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum, on some of the other live sessions or recordings I've done, the investment change dropped a little bit. But again, because of what I believes to take place, I didn't close out, I didn't sell or anything like that. I held on to my Ethereum. I continued to allow the bot to trade, and as a result, I've been doing extremely well. Here's the history of the trades, the profits generated since I began, I want to say roughly 40 something days ago. Losing track. But as you guys can see, when I initially activated it, I closed this one out so that I can change the settings, adjust the settings. As you guys can see, I had different grid levels here. And then when I closed it out, it was the investment of Ethereum, or the cost of Ethereum, dropped. So even these that you see that show a negative, as you can see, it's Ethereum. As you can see, it's Bitcoin. That was just the price of the coin at the time that I sold it. So at this time, when I closed out the bot, the price of Ethereum had dropped quite significantly. Okay, but as you guys can see, I never sold the Ethereum. So this eventually became positive. Okay, and as you guys can see, it's going phenomenally. This is truly amazing. And the strategies that we have are amazing as well. So as you guys can see, this is what's taking place with Cardano. Look at the statistics. There's been 7 filled orders, or 7 trades, a maximum of 11 open orders. We found out that less orders or less grids on a rising market produce more profits, which is why the adjustments we made you're seeing here. Now let's go and see what's going on with Bitcoin. As you can see, there's been a 2.03% increase. All these are under 2 days. These two are under 2 days. This one's less than 1 day. Okay, so in less than 1 day, close to 3% in profit and 1.33% in bot profit. So that's phenomenal. Okay, let's look at the chart real quick, see what Bitcoin is doing. All right, guys, this is huge. We're going to be testing the $60,000 mark. As I mentioned on a few sessions ago, I anticipated going as high as 60,000 before we see another dip. But I still predict a 6-figure crypto, a 6-figure Bitcoin in 2021. So despite doesn't matter where the price is going to go. It can go down, it can go up. I'm still not going to do anything other than allow the bot to do what it's doing. Okay, so I don't care where the investment change goes, because again, my focus is on the long term. The statistics behind this, as you guys can see, 4 filled orders, or 4 trades for profit, 3 winning, 1 losing. I'm going to show you guys the Ethereum as well. Look at those numbers, very satisfactory. What's cool about the Ethereum bot is that the first 2 trades were negative, and some members launched the bot with the same currency pair at the same time I did. So they're reaching out and they're saying, hey, Joel, there's been 2 negative trades. Should I close out the bot? Which is these. And I told them, no, it's perfectly all right. Okay. Just because you see a loss doesn't mean, or see 2 losses, doesn't mean that the bot is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Okay, so just be a little bit more patient, allow a little bit more time, and then I promise you guys will be happy. So despite yesterday this was in the negative, the investment changes in the positive. Despite yesterday we saw a negative over here in profit from the 2 negative trades. I think it was like less than 10 cents or something like that. That was the negative. And I didn't close it out. I didn't do anything but allow the bot to do what it does. And as you guys can see, there's the profit. All right, so today I took the profit that I generated, which was about $52, and I bought Cardano with it. Here are my balances. Okay, so about $32 or $38 worth of Cardano. But this is all that's in trade right now. So for those of you guys that are accumulating profits like I am in USD or USDT, I don't sit on those in USD or USDT. So whenever I generate a profit, all I do is purchase any one of these 3 cryptos. Now before I close out, I'm going to show you guys one more thing that is really exciting. Let's get off of demo mode or live mode. All right, we have been practicing back testing and testing some of these other currencies that we see doing tremendously in the market. So I'm not going to get into what these currencies are or the names of them or any of that or why we picked them, because all that stuff is in the academy. But what I wanted to show you guys was this. Less than 21 hours, we experience on this currency pair alone 14% change, 14.06% change, $13 of profit generated with the bot. Here we see a negative investment change, but we see a bot profit of 1.82%. Here we see 6.7, 3.22. This is the change in the crypto. And then this is the profit that the bot generated. Both are looking amazing. Both of them are looking amazing. So what this is saying is that we are, with this particular strategy, we're activating the bot on currency pairs that are breaking out. Okay? That are breaking out. We catch them 3 days after they're breaking out. Okay? Let's say they have a week run. These are usually short term. They last, a week, a couple weeks. But if we're able to catch them within days after they break out, then we can jump in, and as you guys can see, we can ride this. And what my intention is, or what I'm going to do with this, is continue to do this for the next 7 days before going live. Okay, we're going to continue to do more testing. This is also going to be a strategy that's going to be added to the academy. But in the meantime, all of us are discussing this and testing this on our live trading sessions every single day. So again, guys, if you guys are interested, $100 worth of Bitcoin for 12 months of education, of a community, of one-on-ones, of daily educational sessions where we all go over all of this, and we profit together. We learn together. We earn together. Okay, so www.santiagoacademy.com. Get started today, and I'll see you all on the inside. God bless. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.